A COVID-19 testing center with sites all across the country and right here in Metro Detroit is shutting down temporarily after a host of complaints. The news comes as this fourth surge in COVID-19 cases has really driven up the demand for testing. I first received word about this particular company this week, and I went to see it for myself. The Better Business Bureau has been looking into a COVID testing company with pop-up sites around the U.S.
The Center for COVID Control is showing up as tents in formerly vacant retail spaces. They're really just coming out of the woodwork.
Melanie Ducanel, president and CEO of the Better Business Bureau of Eastern Michigan, says there are at least 11 such sites that have opened up in Southeast Michigan and several hundred more across the country.
I know for a fact that St. Louis, Oregon, South Carolina, and Chicago are definitely being looked at very hard.
The BBB of Chicago and Northern Illinois told me it's been actively looking into an influx of multiple complaints in many states regarding this F-rated business. Complaints such as not getting test results, paying money for expedited results but not getting results, and not responding to customers with questions, and so on. So I decided to check out one of the locations near 5 Mile and Merriman in Livonia. It is 9 o'clock on the dot. This location is supposed to be open, Center for COVID Control. Doors still locked, temporary, should be temporarily, that's spelled wrong, closed. There is a light on in the very back, but I don't see any activity. It looked almost abandoned. No chairs in the waiting room, just a lone social distancing decal. Did you come here today to get a test?
Yes, I did.
Have you been here before?
I have, twice.
Julie Adams says she had a decent experience both times she'd been there, recalling only one person behind the counter who pointed her to a QR code.
You would put in your information, upload your license, and then they would have you self-administer the test. You'd get the results in 10 minutes.
How long has the testing site been here?
It's been approximately a month since they kind of moved in. It was kind of sketchy all along.
Monica Ingalls owns Sorella's Custom Cakes next door.
We just came in one morning and there were people standing outside, I'm not joking, in bathrobes. And those were people working there. Nothing about it seemed remotely professional or organized.
The BBV has visited other storefront locations in Warren and Dearborn, plus a hard-to-find fourth-floor office site in downtown Detroit. Then late Thursday afternoon, a release from the Illinois-based company in question, Center for COVID Control, to pause operations for additional staff training and education, stating certain Center for COVID Control, or CCC locations, are experiencing high demand for testing due to the Omicron variant surge. This unusually high patient demand has stressed staffing resources, affecting our usual customer service standards and diagnostic goals, adding that the company will temporarily pause further collection of patient specimens effective Friday, January 14th, with plans to reopen Saturday, January 22nd. The founder and CEO stating in part, "We've made this difficult decision to temporarily pause all operations until we are confident that all collection sites are meeting our high standards for quality." Now, the CEO went on to explain that a key contributing factor to CCC's present challenges is the rapid spread of the Omicron variant within their own ranks and the number of COVID tests increasing from 8,000 a day nationwide to more than 80,000 a day. But he also apologized for recent customer inconveniences and a loss of confidence, explaining that the employee training and management enhancements are intended to refocus the staff members there.